Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers, so without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. First we have from Avegen. Avegen is hiring for software engineer. This is for fresher. Location will be Pune. Base pay range for this role is 5 lakh to 7 lakh per annum. Here is about the job summary. You can read this all. And let's talk about the required education for this role. BE BTech in computer science or MSc. Let's talk about the required skill set for this role. You have good knowledge of React Native, React.js, data structure algorithm, computer networking and programming. If you are interested for this role, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for software engineer. Location will be Bangalore. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You have to work with appropriate stakeholder to determine user requirements, and you have to also contribute to the identification of dependency and the development of the designing document. Similarly, you have to create and implement code for products, services and many more. You can read this all. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. You have bachelor degree in computer science or related field with proven experience in coding languages. Here is not point but not limited to C, C++, C#, Java, JavaScript or Python. Here is other requirements. You can read this. Here is additional requirement for this role. Bachelor degree in computer science or related field and 1+ year technical engineering experience. And good to have master's degree in computer science or related field and have experience in developing large services. So if you are interested for this role, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from Zebra. Zebra is hiring for software engineer. Location will be Pune. Here is about the Zebra. You can read this. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. You have to design, develop and test on a variety of software assignments. Similarly, develop and test documentation which describe the specific software functionality, and you have to participate in code review and run software test designs and many more. You can read this all. Let's talk about the required qualification for this role. Bachelor degree in technical field and 1 to 2 years of experience required for this role. If you have some certificate of internships, you can also apply for this role and have problem solving skills. If you are interested for this role, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from HCL. HCL hiring for software engineer. Location Bangalore. This is walk-in drive for software developer on 25th January 2025. For this role, you have good knowledge of C++, ABAP and DevOps. 1 to 3 years of experience required for this role. Work location is Bangalore. Minimum CTC is 6 lakh. Interview held on 25th Jan 2025. Eligibility criteria for this role is your score should be greater than 60%. So if you are interested for this role, you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Bye bye. Best of luck for your interview round.